Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by Interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news of more downside news for oil and energy prices. But first, American industrial production fell in January for the third straight month, as the production of cars and a range of goods slipped from January. That's the latest indication of slower growth from the first quarter. But year on year, production was up 3.5%. More in the mining sector, less in the utility sector. Capacity utilisation also slipped, although that too was up 3.1% from the same month a year ago. Part of the reason relates to the recently settled US West Coast port strike, but the harsh weather and a strengthening dollar also took some of the blame. Analysts said it could be a few more months before the sag turns around. In Russia overnight, in addition to the sudden reappearance of Vladimir Putin, the news was of a 1% cut to their official interest rates to 14% after they had jumped to 17% in late 2014. The ruble is now 50% lower since the start of their crisis, but it has stabilised recently. The rapid development of technology for cars is happening worldwide. Control of the car dashboard involves a desperate race between traditional car manufacturers and tech companies. The latest front has been opened in China, where vehicle producer SAIC and e-commerce giant Alibaba plan to invest around $220 million in a fund to develop internet-connected cars. These developments will likely overwhelm traditional public transport and reshape it around cars. We noted yesterday that the consumer finance arm of GE Money has been sold to new American owners. Today it has revealed that the new owners will be pushing the growth button. They're expected to pursue growth plans that could revive car and mortgage lending. US Treasury 10-year yields continue to hover around 2.1%, but they're back today to 2.08%. The crude oil price fell again overnight, is now at $43 a barrel, which is its lowest it's been in more than 6 years, while the Brent crude price is down to $53 a barrel. World crude stocks are rising at a rate of 1.6 million barrels a day. OPEC is now saying it won't be until late 2015 at the earliest that the surging oil production in the US will start to fall due to low prices. Overnight news of an Iran-US deal could also bring a flood of new oil to the market, undermining that OPEC expectation. The gold price fell a little and is now at $1,150 an ounce. New Zealand dollar starts today stronger at 74.1 US cents, is at 96.6 Aussie cents, and the TWI is at 79.5. I'm David Chaston. That was 9 at 9, brought to you by Interest.co.nz.